the 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.